Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the IO error and how to handle IO error in Python. So before we discuss about how to handling the IO error, let's understand the IO error first. So an IO error in Python occurs when an input or output operation fails, such as trying to read from or write to a file that does not exist, or when there is a problem with the file permission. So let's suppose that there is a drive, C drive or D drive, where you are trying to find a file named as data.csv and it's not present over there. Then you will get this IO error. Okay, let's think of another scenario which can help you to understand about this IO error. So think of it like trying to open a door with a key that does not fit, or attempting to read a book that is not present in the library. Such issues can arise from misspelling the file name, incorrect file path, or the hardware failure. But let's go back to our first example, which is trying to open a door with a key that does not fit. So you might be aware that 5-10 years back we used to have our car keys where there is a key, right? Key part. And if we try to fit that key part into our door lock, then it will not work. This is exactly similar to the IO error. We are expecting something but that is not possible or that is not over there, then you will get the IO error. For an instance, imagine that you are writing a report and you want to save it on your computer. If the specific directory does not exist or if you do not have permission to write to that directory, you will encounter the IO error. And handling this error ensures your program can respond gracefully to such situation, like prompting the user to provide a different file path or checking the file permission or prompting them and informing them that hey, you do not have permission to write the files over there. Okay, so in these kind of scenarios you can use the exception handling with the IO error. So let's try to do one thing. Let's try to open a file that is not present over there. Okay, so if I simply put with open and I'm just going to give a random name saying that non-existent file.txt, and I'm trying to read that file. Okay, so if I run this, okay, I'm expecting a syntax error as file basically. Okay, and then let's put content equal to file dot read. So if I run this now, you can see that we have this file not found error. Okay, this file not found error is basically saying that there is no such file or directory, and this is part of a IO error. In order to handle this kind of error, you can simply say try to open this file. Okay, and if this file is not present over there, then go to this except block and put IO error and print saying that hey Atul, an IO error occurred, the file may not exist, or there may be a problem with file permission. So now if I run it, you are having this message. Okay, so in this code Python tries to open a file named as non-existing file.txt for reading. If the file does not exist or there is a permission issue, it raises the IO error. The except block catches this error and prints a helpful message allowing the program to continue running without crashing, and this way the user can be informed or user has been informed basically of that particular issue so that the user can take the corrective action. So this is how you can handle the IO error in Python. Happy learning and see you in the next video.